Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online classes. Last class we discussed about simple present tense, and in this class we shall discuss present continuous tense. In a simple present tense, we saw that uh, helping verb do or does is used only in negative and interrogative sentences, not in affirmative sentence. In present continuous tense, the identification of present continuous tense are helping verbs is, am, are plus ing form of the verb. Is, am, are plus ing form of the verb is the identity of present continuous tense. Not just ing form of the verb is used in a sentence, should not mistake it as any continuous form of the sentence. Helping verb is or am or are plus ing form of the verb is used, then you can identify the tense as present continuous tense. So, three auxiliary verbs I named here. When to use each one of these helping verb, that pattern we shall see. Subject, if the subject is I, then helping verb am, first form of the verb plus ing. Once more, if the subject is I, helping verb am is used, then ing form of the verb is also used. I am writing a letter. I is the subject, so we use the helping verb am and writing a letter. So, am writing, it is simple as present continuous tense. Am writing is present continuous tense. Am is auxiliary verb and ing form of the verb. Writing is the ing form of main verb. So, am plus ing form of the verb shows that the tense is present continuous. Then other singular subjects, third person singular subject plus is plus ing form of the verb. So in the pattern I have written here, it is missing, but singular subject plus is plus first ing form of the verb. He is singing a song. He is singing a song. Then plural subject plus are. Are should be there. That also is missing. Plural subject plus are plus ing form of the verb. They are playing football. Plural subject plus are plus ing form of the verb. They are playing football. So, am is used if the subject is I, along with third person singular subject, that is he, she, it in pronouns, or any other singular noun is used as the subject, then is plus ing form of the verb. Along with all the plural subject, are plus ing form of the verb is used in present continuous tense. Now, some of the usages. An action taking place at the time of speaking. an action taking place at the time of speaking. While we are speaking about something and the action is taking place at that time, then it should be written in or mentioned in present continuous tense. I am teaching English grammar at present. I am teaching English grammar at present. So now itself I am doing that. I am teaching English grammar. So I can use present continuous tense. So the action that is taking place at the present moment, then simple present tense present continuous tense can be used. Then an action continued over a period of time in the present. An action that continued for some time in the present, then that also can be used in present continuous tense. Ravi is working over a science project at present. Ravi is working over a science project at present. So these are examples of usages and examples of present continuous tense. The key words used in this one is at present, nowadays, these days, etc. Once more, keywords used: at present, nowadays, now, or these days. These are the keywords used in present continuous tense. So I hope you understood the topic present continuous tense. Thank you everyone.